kuhlwile mbukeli yebukela nati tindzaba tita ku webcom tisuka emkhulukhaya we-SABC ya Auckland Park la ku SABC 1 nakulehaye nati lethamba embili.
At the time when Khan speaks, he starts saying, brother, what are you doing? Why are you doing this to me? The conversation was in that line. Why are you doing this to me? And what did I do to you?
Lilunga lemkhonto wesizwe phansi eParliament Vusi Shongwe lende tinsolo letithi bantfu labasonzelene nelilunga letebunhloli Major General Feroz Khan bebafuna kumfumbathisa imali lengu 10 million wemarandi.
More than an illegal foreigner crisis that we have in the country is that we have a governance issue.
This is the pain of many years that South Africans have been suffering from. So the 7 years, it is because of saying we have waited for so long.
Imishuqo yekulwisana nekuba kuleli kwebantfu bebamve angaphandle ngalokungemthetho bayithe cithi saka velonke. Lilunga lemkhonto wesizwe phansi eParliament Vusi Shongwe lende tinsolo letithi bantfu labasonzelene nelilunga letebunhloli Major General Feroz Khan bebafuna kumfumbathisa imali lengu 10 million wemarandi emhlanganweni bewubanjwe ngasese ngemva kwekuthi ke Shongwe akhale ngekubandzakanyeka kwa Khan ebugebengwini. Ligama la Khan livele kanyenti eKhomishaneni lamadlanga.
Kephathe eParliament Vusi Shongwe litshela ikhomishana lamadlanga ukuthi labidelo emhlanganweni bantfu labayamene nelunga letebunhloli Major General Feroz Khan emva kweliphenyo ngetinsolo tebugebengu bebufihlwa nguKhan.
First one was the Aratin drug saga, where General Mkhwanazi clears General Khan and deems him a hero, which I still disagree with Babu Mkhwanazi. And then the second one, the alleged cover-ups relating to the murder of the makeup artist, which is on social. The second one is the third one is the alleged cover-up relating to the murder of medical doctor, which is also in the social and around the corridors. And then the fourth one is the alleged cover-up of matters pertaining to cigarette smuggling cases.
Shonga uthi wabanemhlangano na Yusuf Khaji na Imran eThekwini. Uthi kulomhlangano bakhuluma na Khan ngevideo call.
He has the phone in his hand and then Khan speaks. At the time when Khan speaks, he starts saying, brother, what are you doing? Why are you doing this to me? The conversation was in that line. Why are you doing this to me? And what did I do to you?
Utshelele ikhomishana ukuthi kulomhlangano watshelwa ukuthi ayekele kufaka impomulo yakhe kuloliphenyo.
Indvuna yelitiko letebulungiswa nemtsetfo sekelo Mamoloko Kubayi ucacisile ukuthi hulumende akabekanga umncamla juqu ngekulandzelwa kwetimiso nemigomo yelitiko letasekhaya. Wende letiphimiselo kulandzela ukuthi ke tinhlangano letahlukene tizalule lilanga lalamuhla njengelakhuculela ngqoqo wemshuqo lohlose ukuthi ke labakuleli ngalokungemtsetfo babuyele emaveni abo. Ugcizeleleke ukuthi naloku tonke tinhlaka temtsetfo tisebenta ngekuthi khandla atilandzeli umncamla juqu lobekwe bantfu uthi umbuso utawuchubeka nekubuka ubophe uphindze ke ubuyisele labakuleli ngalokungemthetho emaveni abo ngekulandzela umthetho.
Indvuna Kubayi incuse takhamuti eGauteng ukuthi tehlise emaphaphu njengobe labasemagunyeni baqaphe simo kuyo yonke imishuqo lekhona.
Enforcement of migration laws continues. Where we've been able to deport, where we've been able to deal with a lot of things. We'll deal with issues of SIM card. So it's not about today, it's about other areas. The issue is when you redirect efforts of the state to some different direction, then you stop particular areas. Now today our focus is to ensure that South Africans are safe.
Komishana wemaphoyisa eMpumalanga Kapa uthi kutshalwe emaphoyisa kudo tonke tinkhalo lekushuqwa kudo kulesifundza.
Working together with other stakeholders, with other law enforcement agencies, with the business community, with the communities, with the NGOs. I think there's a majority of the people of this country do not want to see any violent protest here.
Litiko letemaphoyisa lithi umtsetfo utawuthatha indzawo la kufanele khona.
Hulumende uqinisekise kuvala sikhongolo sihlola bantfu lababuya emaveni angaphandle lesikanekise eThekwini. Bonke bantfu bangaphandle nyalo sebatangihlolwa eMusina eLimpopo njengengcenye yekunonophisa kuphuma nekungena kwebantfu kuleli. Lisekela lalokhulumela hulumende William Baloyi uthi ke lesinqumo sithethwe ngemva kwekuthi leli liqhubeke nekubukana nekwenyuka kwesibalo sebantfu labakuleli ngalokungemthetho.
Put on record is that officially the processing point in KZN, Durban at Tekwini, has officially closed. So all the people that were processed at that area have been transported to our Musina processing center. However, yes, we did get reports that there were still people who flocked there, between 250 and 300 today, but they will also be transported to the processing point in Musina. Maybe I should also indicate that South Africa is a constitutional democracy, and we are also a sovereign state, so which means that we manage the issues of our borders in a lawful manner.
Imishuqo yekulwisana nekuba kuleli kwebantfu bemave angaphandle ngalokungemthetho bayithe citsisaka velonke. Kanti ke tinzatheli te-SABC betikanekise ngalotonke kuqokelela yona.
Eziraste Northwest lohlelo umshuqo Tsiamo Mohere uthi labangasiwe umsiso ukutimela kuleli labakhona ngalokungemthetho abahambe bangabuyi.
Puso ya rona ntse tsa kanya rona botsatsa ene ga etsa ntla rona botsatsa ba foreigner tletse mo motseng wa rona a rana di container tsenga bendirani wa ke rona di small shops ba rekisa tamati jaka nna nka be ke rekisa tamati
eGauteng emishuqweni lebese Soweto ekuruleni nasePitoli kubebethe tigameko letibikwa ko.
More than an illegal foreigner crisis that we have in the country is that we have a governance issue coupled with corruption.
Siyasaphakama ke singumphakathi waseMandela Nhlapho iKatleko ngakushwana. Saphakama sama ngenyawo sahambe sibajonga nendawo besizazi ke kuthiwa zistrap yard ngapha koko kune drugs. So zezinye zendawo siyazivakashelezo sifumene into ezininzi kuzo. So bonke abantu sibathola kwezandawo siyabathatha sisebenza namaphoyisa njengoba sihamba akuluthwa akubethwa umuntu.
This is not something that started now. This is a pain of many years that South Africans have been suffering from. So the 7 years, it is because of saying we have waited for so long for something to happen and nothing has till this day.
Enshonalanga Kapa khona bathi ingcinambango lendlela elibuswa ngayo leli lenda kube nekungalingani etinhlakeni tenqubo eveni hayi bantfu lababuya emafeni.
This economy is not working for South Africans, but migrants are not causing this economy not to work. We are in a systemic crisis here that is caused by inequality, by historic injustices.
Ganzi hulumende ubonge bashuqi ngemshuqo leni kuthula kulo lonke lelive njengoba abantu labanyendi kuleli bavuke bangena etitalatini.
Kanti ke sikubutile ukuthi ingabe lo mncamla juqu nalomshuqo walamuhla utawuba nemthelela yini ekhambeni kwebantfu bangaphandle labede timbepha uphendvule kanje.
Ikakhulu kulabantu labema drugs nalabantu laba bema trafficking nalaba kuntshontsha imoto ikakhulu nalaba labangenato timbepha usababile kwelakibo bayobuya netimbepha kahle
kuzoba khona umthelelo kulabo abafika ekuthini bahambe ngezathu ukuthi njengoba kukhona imashi ikhomba kusobala ukuthi abafunakali kuleli abafunakali eSouth Africa laba abahleli la ngomthetho abangenamaphepha wesithembe ezinohulumeni uzokwazi naye ukubamba iqhaza.
Sawubona umphumela wakhona and kokunye besivaleka amehlo abantu bayahamba babuyele emazweni abo and umuntu sibonayo ukuthi baningi kakhulu abantu abala South Africa banganawo amaphepha.
Kuzoba khona umehluko noma ungeke ube mkhulu kakhulu kodwa siyabacela bonke laba abanganaphepha mvume yokuhlala la eSouth Africa ukuthi mababuyele emakibo.
Kuba nemthelela livele 2000 shayela ngomoya livele 2000 nehlonipheka livele 2000 nenhlonipho usakathi kuhle kakhulu abahambe vele bayolungisa imboto yabo.
Kuletinye ke nasibuya ititolo kulinzeleke ukuthi bashayeli banciphise isandla ekhikhini njengoba ehla mafutha itimoto emkhathini walamabili lamuhla ebusuku. wemukelekile mbukele esigabeni sethu sesibili nawusanza ngena ukhethe kahle hlala nathi khumbula ke ukuthi leti ndzaba ungatitfola futhi ku X, Facebook, YouTube na ku SABC Plus. Kuqhubeka lembili nemshuqo samukela Nonhlanhla Jele lokanikise emalahleni eMpumalanga. Nonhlanhla asikubingelele sikwamukele etindzabeni. Ngabe ke simo sinjani emalahleni?
Bingelele Rebecca ngibingelele nombukele ekhaya singasho sithi isimo la emalahleni sithe ukuthula since iMarch iphelile ngabo 3 sibonile namuhla hundreds abantu abaningi baphumile bagcwele la emalahleni bahamba bahambela memorandum lapha ema officeini kamasipala sibonile emini bavale memorandum to abantu emibheke abanye basuke eOffice abanye bathi basuke eSekhunda province ya la eMpumalanga bakile yeza la eHighfield basuke as far as KZN just to support le march esibone yenzeka ukuthi siyazi ukuthi nganesigameko no amaphoyisa khona iprivate security nayo beyiphumile ngobuningi bayo bahamba bakhapha abahlali bala emalahleni abakhala ngento ezimbalwa ebheka inkinga unemployment bayasho ukuthi imalahleni siyazi ukuthi iyindawo yabanini kakhulu a lot of young people esibabonile namuhla bayakudala sikudala manje bawufuna umsebenzi kepha abawutholi siyazi also nokuthi kunenkinga yama drugs I mean one of the sasho lapha akukho right bayabukela babona immigrants or migrants rather besikolo ama drugs duze nezikolo you know but babona iprostitution duze nezikolo some bayasho ukuthi a lot of young people shaya afana bagcwele la emgwaqweni babhela ama local national government ukuthi azame ngako konke abakhona ukuthi bamekuthi le migration sorted out ukuthi bonke laba abavela laveni ekhaya wabo are in nje kuphela into bayakhala ukuthi just make sure ukuthi baya ekhaya bothola ama documents are right khala ukuthi people ababoshiwe can't do anything abekho ndawo kusebavela ndawo so kubalekile ukuthi labantu laba mabadisa South Africa eMzansi babuye ukuthi ama right
Sibonga kakhulu kuye Nonhlanhla asicolise futhi ngaloko mbukeli kanti sisesekudo demishuqo sibungela intatheli yeSABC Zanele Buthelezi kuva kabantu ukuthi ke ingabe lapho akanikise khona kwendakalani Zanele
silapha eGugudlamini Park eThekwini lapho kuphelele khona iMarch lapho abantu izinkulungwane zabantu begcwele khona umgwaqo eThekwini edolobheni zibhikisha zisuka eKing Dinuzulu Park zilibangise ngase Point Road police station nalapho ke bebeyothula khona izikhalo zabo kuzokhumbuleka ukuthi izikhalo ziningi kakhulukazi zithinta abantu bokufika abakuleli ngemthetho kanti futhi ke enye into bakhala ngayo ke njengoba bebheke khona lapha ePoint ukuthi indawo le yase Point bayithatha njengenye indawo ezizidleke noma izizinda salapho kudayiswa khona izidakamizwa ngokunjalo ke kube futhi ke nokudayiswa esingathi ukudayiswa komzimba njalo ezinye zezinto abakhala ngazo ukuthi ke zicekela phansi izwe laseNingizimu Afrika kube khona ke abaholi abebehola le march njengoholi we March and March uJacinta Ngobese Zuma ngokunjalo ke nophakela umthakathi uNkosikhona Ndabandaba bebekhona ke nabanye behola bona abantu abebegcwele bethe chithisa ka eThekwini le march iyona ibinako ukuthula isikhathi esiningi nalapho kubonakele ukuthi abantu baphathe kahle ngenxa yokuthi ke futhi namaphoyisa nawo bephume ngobuningi bawo ethe chithisa ka belekelelwa ke ibona ke abezoqapha abazimele behamba ngezimoto abanye behamba phansi kukhona nama drones beqaphe sonke isimo sinayo omunye ke obephambili kuyona le march okungu Andile Dlamini ngokubona kwakho imarch ihambe kanjani nikwazile ukudlulisa izikhalo zizwakela
Ngiyabingelela uDlamini lomzimba Khalimali odabona ngoma nisebenza nophakela umthakathi babe ne meeting ke izolo ebusuku uthola icall from ku president njoba bebe nemeeting wafika walibeka udaba noma wayibeka inkinga esibhekene nazo lapha eSouth Africa. So imemorandum ihambile ke besithena sizobanika only 7 days ukuthi baphendule. So imashi ke ukuhamba siswami ihambe kahle. And from phezulu mawubuka from Ebria Center up until uye point sikade sihamba sijika King Dinizulu okubhoda sibuyele emuva kodwa ayikho into esingathi nansi into elimele noma nanga umuntu ophethe selimele. So ke siyabonga kakhulu siyajabula futhi ukuthi kuhambe ngalendlela ngoba bebelindele ukuthi kuzolutho. Thina asikho kwimishini yokulutha. Thina sikwimishini yokuthi akuhamba abantu bokufika. Ikakhulukazi laba bangenamaphepha. Bahambe baye emazweni abo siyazi ukuthi bakhona banamaphepha kodwa bangawatholanga ngendlela eqondile.
Ubeku Andile Dlamini loyo omunye kwabantu abasebenza naye inkosikhona ndaba owaziwa ngelika Phakela umthakathi bathe bazobuya ke beze la eGugudlamini Park kusasa ngehora lesithathu nokuyilapho ke bazobuyekeza umbhikisho lo obukhona namhlanje nokuthi ke ithini inqubekela phambili kuzokhumbuleka futhi ukuthi yena uNdabandaba ukubeka ukuthi ukhulumile nomongameli izolo wanomhlangano nomongameli akazange ke afune ukunaba ngokuthi yini ekhulunyiwe nomongameli wathi uzokhuluma kusasa ecazela abantu ngehora lesithathu ngakho themba lokuthi sizokwazi ukuthi ke sithole kabanzi ukuthi kulomhlangano nomongameli uNdabandaba kanye noNgizwe Mchunu bakhulumeni naye mase sikwazi ukuthi ke sithulela abalaleli bethu kukhona ka-SABC.
Zanele asibonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho. Nguzanele Buthelezi ngizathele indzaba SABC. Bashayeli betimoto bangalinzela kwehla kwemafutha etimoto emkhathini walamabili lamuhla ebusuku. Inzengo yepetrol kulinzeleke iyehle nga R2.01 noma R1.96 ngelitha. Kanti kusenjalo diesel kulinzeleke ehle nga R3.14 noma ke R3.59 ngelitha. Tibalo ke tikhomba ukuthi inzengo ya parafini ngahle ke iyehle nga R6.97 ilitha. Nasivakashele emakethe tetimali sithola ukuthi lirandi linyukile nalicathaniswa nelidola lasemelika. Kulephuma imbiteni kuligwalagwala FM. Sindisiwe
Angibonge kuwe Rebecca ngibingelele umbukele ekhaya ngisho ukuthi namuhla ehlelweni sabe sixoxisana nawe amaphoyisa kulesifundza eMpumalanga sibuke naye indzaba yembhikisho wekhononza ngikuba khona kwabantu abasemaveni angaphandle banganamaphepha kuba kule live sophenze sixoxisane nato Tati Dedebugebengu sibuke naye indzaba yekudutshulwa kwesikhulu setemhlole Feroz Khan kule live eNingizimu Afrika ukuthi lokho angeke kuphatamise yini kusebenza kwelikomishana lamadlanga. Angithathe insambo ngitibuyisele ekoleni.
Sibonga kakhulu kuye Sindisiwe nganzi tiyagoca dalamuhla asiphinze sihlangane ngalwesine letelama leti tingensibi yesikhombisa ngesixhosa ungaphuthelwa simo selituli nanto zakhe emathebula ngemva kwetitolo Nzambama akube ngulenhlengwane.
Sibingelele sikwamukele kunasi simo selitulu kusihlwa namuhla ngwanelo muhle angisho ukuthi cishe imbonye ngemavuke mawubacishe la ikakhulu kade even longana ngwalelo mhla kepha ke ukhona nalomoya la lobonakala ke la uvunda ke cishe ingabe nelive ngwalelo muhla kanzi ke la uma sichubeka sikubukela ke la naselangeni la kusasa ngwalelo muhla sikhona la mathuba imvula la ku 60% incanye yesifunza ke la Eastern Cape ngwalelo muhla kanzi ke emagudle ekhathi nelive ngwalelo muhla lapha kuye ke la 30% njengoba lichubeke njalo nengibonya ngemafika kakhulu kade mawubuka ke la eMpumalanga yelive ngwalelo muhla kanzi ke isixwayiso lesivela baka South African Weather Service likhombisa ke iphuthuma kakhulu ikakhulukazi ingcenye yesifundza ke la Eastern Cape ikakhulukazi ngaleke kubo Mthatha ngwalelo muhla kanzi ke uma sichubekela ke la sibuye ke emazinga ekushisa kutheme njani ikakhulukazi elangeni lakusasa masibuka ke sifunza eGauteng indzawo lefana nabo Pretoria lipholile nga21 wehlele Johannesburg nga19 kanzi ke Carletonville ngwalelo muhla lapha kuye ke la 18 kanzi ke masinyukela ke la esifundzeni iLimpopo indzawo lefana ke la nabo Thohoyandom lapha ku23 njengoba lipholile wehlele eGiyani nga24 25 ePhalabulwa kanzi ke Bakersford ngwalelo muhla lapha kuye ke la 23 lo usho ukuthi lipholile nakuleto indzawo leto kanzi ke eMpumalanga sibuka ke ikakhulukazi usikhukhuza lapha ku26 wehlele ke Mbombela njengoba lipholile leto indzawo leto kanzi ke yofika kuBukherolani isobela ngwalo muhle likhombisa kuphola wehlele ke la eMelo kanzi ke nasemalahleni lapha kuye ke la 19 lokusho ukuthi lipholile leto indzawo leto kanzi ke kwaZulu Natal eFryhead lapha ku25 wehlele nase Pietermaritzburg kanzi ke Durban lapha ku23 kanjalo nase eKokstad ngwalo muhle kanzi ke sifundza ke la Eastern Cape mabuka indzawo lefana nabo Mthatha lifuthumela nga27 lipholile ku Composite ngayike la 20 kanjalo nase Qonqa kanzi ke Makhanda lapha ku19 wehlele ke Gqeberha kwaNojoli lisimile lapha kuye ke la 17 ngwalelo muhle kanzi ke Western Cape indzawo lefana nabo Vredendal lapha ku15 lipholile litonzawo leto wehlele Cape Town ngaye ke la 14 mobukwanza lefana nabo Beaufort West lapha kuye ke la 13 kanjalo nase George ngolo muhle likhombisa ke kuphola ngaye 15 leto ndzawo leto kanzi ke Northern Cape kuyabanza ke Calvinia ngaye ke la 0 kanzi ke Sutherland liku -2 kuyabanza ke leto ndzawo leto ke kuseni kepha ke leyo belipholile ngesikhathi tanzambama kanzi ke Kurumani ngolo muhle lapha kuye ke la 22 kanzi ke Free State mobukwanza lefana nabo Welcome lapha ku23 wehleleke la ikakhulukazi eBloemfontein nga22 mabuke eBothaville nakubo Kroonstad ngolalo muhle lapha kuye ke la 22 likhombisa ke kuphola kuleto ndzawo leto ngolalo muhle kanzi ke la sengiphetha sibuka ke la sifunza ke iNorthwest mabuke la ndzawo lefana nabo boTosca lapha ku24 lo usho ukuthi lipholile leto ndzawo leto ke wehlele boFreiburg kanjalo nakuBotaung kanzi ke Rustenburg lapha kuye ke la 21 ngolalo muhle kungako bengikuphathela kona busuku abube ngilobuhle malangeni.